Join me as I dive into the world of property investing to see if it's really worth the risk. I'm putting my own money on the line. Property investing has long been a dream for many, offering the promise of passive income, significant profits, and a tangible asset at the end of the day. But let's be honest, it comes with its fair share of risks. From market fluctuations to tenant troubles, the challenges can be daunting. Yes, thousands of investors dive into this world every year, hoping to come out on top. So what's the real story behind property investing? Is it a smart move or a risky gamble? One of the biggest fears for potential investors is market volatility. The housing market can be unpredictable, with prices fluctuating wildly due to economic changes, interest rates, and even government policies. Imagine investing a large sum of money into a property only to see its value drop significantly. The financial loss could be devastating. Another concern is the challenge of finding and managing tenants. Dealing with late payments, property damage, or difficult tenants can be incredibly stressful. It's not just about collecting rent, it's about maintaining your property and ensuring it remains a valuable asset. The possibility of financial loss is also a major worry. Property investing requires a significant upfront investment usually, and the costs don't stop there. Maintenance, property taxes, and insurance add up quickly. If you're not careful, you could end up owing more on your mortgage than your property is worth. The time commitment required for property investing should not be underestimated. From finding the right property to managing renovations and dealing with tenants, it's a hands-on investment that demands your time and attention. Successful property investments hinge on several key factors. First and foremost, location is everything. A property in a high-demand area with good schools, transportation links, and amenities will always be more valuable than one in a less desirable location. It's not just about the property itself, but about the neighborhood and the community. Market research is another crucial element. Understanding current market trends, interest rates, and the local economy can help you make informed decisions. Are people moving into the area or moving out? Are there new developments on the horizon that could impact property values? Effective property management is also vital. A good property manager can make all the difference in minimizing stress and maximizing returns. They handle everything from rent collection to maintenance, freeing up your time and ensuring your investment runs smoothly. Diversifying your portfolio is also important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of properties and locations to mitigate risk. This way, if one property underperforms, others can balance it out. There are countless stories of real estate investments gone right or wrong. Take, for instance, the tale of a friend of mine who invested in a small rental property in a growing neighborhood. The area was up and coming with new businesses and young families moving in. He put in the effort to renovate the property and manage it well. A year later, the property had appreciated significantly and he was raking in a nice passive income. On the flip side, there's a story of another colleague who invested in a property in a declining area. Despite the best efforts, the property continued to lose value and he eventually had to sell at a loss. These stories highlight the importance of research, timing, and management. To wrap things up, property investing can be a lucrative venture, but it's not without its risks. Market volatility, financial loss, and the challenges of property management are all valid concerns. However, with careful research, smart planning, and a bit of luck, it's possible to mitigate these risks and come out on top. If you've made it this far, chances are you're either a seasoned investor or considering dipping your toe into the property pool. Whatever your experience level, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you had a success story or a horror story in property? Share it with us in the comments below. And if you're looking for more insights on investment strategies, be sure to check out our next video on smart property investing for beginners. If you want to discuss anything that you've heard or seen in this video with me, that's Alan from Alpus Group, don't hesitate to call me on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333-224-1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.